Hello, hi, how are you? I'm Coach Danny and I'm here with SixPack Abs today to bring you a killer glute and leg workout. So we're gonna target everything from the butt on down. So I hope you're ready. All you need today is 2 dumbbells, and it is up to you whether you wanna use a lightweight or a heavyweight. It's all about how you're feeling and how aggressive you wanna get with this workout today. Today's workout is a 20-minute AMRAP, which means that you will complete as many rounds as possible of the exercise circuit that I provide you with. You will do 15 repetitions of each exercise, and there are 5 that you have on your to-do list today. The first exercise that you're going to perform is a narrow squat. So again, we're using 2 dumbbells, so grab your dumbbells, and you're going to start standing tall with the dumbbells hanging down at your side. Maintain your abdominals in nice and tight, your shoulders back and down, and chest proud. Your feet are hips width apart, and make sure your toes are straight if possible. If there is any discomfort with straight toes, feel free to just slightly turn them out to the side. From here, you're gonna bend at the knees, keeping your chest proud and abs in, and hinge at the hips as you go down towards the ground, and then press through the heels to come back up to your standing position, squeezing your butt, quads, and hamstrings throughout the exercise. You want to make sure that you're inhaling through the nose on the way down and exhaling on the way up, out of the mouth. Also, make sure that when you perform this exercise, you're not allowing your shoulders to round forward. You really want to keep those shoulders back and down, keep that chest proud, especially because you have the weight of the dumbbells fighting to pull you forward. Our second exercise today is a stiff leg deadlift. So again, we're still maintaining hips width apart with our feet. And from here, we're gonna keep these dumbbells placed in front of our thighs as our start position. Keep your belly button pulled in towards your spine, hinge at your hips, and just ever so slightly bend your knees and feel that deep stretch in the hamstrings and glutes, and then extend back up, squeezing the glutes. Again, here in this exercise, just like the last one, we really want to make sure that we're not letting the dumbbells pull our shoulders to the front. So really keeping a strict form here, shoulder blades back and down, inhaling through the nose on the way down, bringing those dumbbells right above the feet, digging those heels into the ground as you come up, squeezing that butt. Maintaining a nice tight core and a neutral neck. Meaning we do not want to be hanging our head, and we do not want it to be up towards the ceiling like this, okay? We really want to keep our neck and head in line with our spine throughout the deadlift. All right, so we're on to our third exercise today, and it's called a goblet squat. You're gonna take one of your 2 dumbbells, and you're gonna hold it just like a goblet glass. Then you're gonna get your feet almost to shoulders width apart and slightly turn your toes out to the side. Engage your abdominals and keep your chest nice and proud. Lock your shoulder blades down and back, and then perform your squat. So you're gonna bend at the knees and drop your butt straight down as low as you can go. Dig through the heels to come up, squeeze the butt at the top. So full range of motion, inhaling down, exhaling up, squeeze that butt at the top. Keep that belly button drawn in. On this exercise, you should feel quite a bit of core activation since the weight is loaded on the front of the body. If you don't have a dumbbell, you can always perform this exercise with a kettlebell. Exercises 4 and 5 are the same thing, and you'll perform one leg and then the opposite leg. So a pump lunge is how we're gonna finish this circuit off. So what you will do to start is step back with one foot. I'm stepping back with my left foot, dropping the left knee down towards the ground, maintaining a tight core and a 90-degree angle at both knees. From here, I'm going to pulse and just come up halfway out of that lunge. I'm digging my heel into the ground, and I'm squeezing my quadricep, my hamstring, and my glutes. My shoulders are back and down so that I have a straight line from my shoulders to my hip bones. You're gonna continuously breathe in the nose and out the mouth. You can kind of find a rhythm, maybe 2 pumps inhale, 2 pumps exhale. Woo! And that one is gonna burn. All right, so just to go over everything we've already gone over one more time so that you know you've got it down, what it is that you're doing today. A 20-minute AMRAP, so as many rounds as possible of the circuit I just showed you. You have 15 repetitions of each exercise, and it's all targeting the butt, the quads, and the hamstrings. Don't forget to keep your abs engaged and breathe when you're working out. Also, I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad that you came here to SixPack Abs to allow me to give you an amazing workout that you will not regret doing. So to show me some love, make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we post new workouts for you. As well, please subscribe to SixPack Abs, like, share, and come back again. We'll see you next time.